Where to find Dolby Atmos sound settings, as well as how to enable it, and this is for Samsung phones with Android 16. I'll first show you where you can go to check to see if your Samsung phone has it. And depending on your phone model, first you can always use the quick access, and with One UI 8 you can use the quick panel section here and look for Dolby Atmos. Now of course, if you see it there, you can single tap it once or a second time to enable it or turn it off. A long press will take you into the Dolby Atmos settings, okay? Now, if that doesn't work for you, you can always use the quick access, tap on this setting toggle up here, then go down and look for sounds and vibration right here. Now that you're here, go down the list and go down to where it says sound quality and effects. Once you enter here, you should see Dolby Atmos as the first option. And of course, for some Samsung phones, you may find that you won't be able to turn it on, and that's because the only way you can actually make use of it is if you have a Bluetooth connected device to your Samsung phone, or a USB-C connected headphones or earphones that's compatible with your Samsung phone. Now, once you are able to turn it on, you can choose between these four options, and each one of them will fit your sound needs depending on what you are listening to. You can also go into the equalizer to make changes to that. That also helps. And that's that for this guide. Like and sub.